Word of today is be still and know that I am God. This is something venye I've come to see even for my own self, that when you walk with God, and actually as I was preparing for this sermon, prepared for the believers, nilisema wacha niongee na watu wenye they have chosen God na watu wenye they have chosen to walk and with God. But the more I thought about it, the more I prayed about it, the more I saw if it's even for the non-believer. Because God amenionyesha kitu that's kama, it's like when it rains, it doesn't just rain on the believer, it rains on the non-believer too. And sometimes some of these things that the non-believer goes through, it is for them to actually see that there is a power that is beyond their own self. Na hii ni kitu moja yenye nitakuinsistia kama mtu, that whenever mtu anakuambia kitu that is building you, that makes sense, what is true, what is pure, what is heavenly, that's what we call it, listen to it. Because that I was thinking about, and the more I was thinking about this, and the more nakwambia, walk in step with the Spirit. Because the more I was thinking about this, the more the Spirit kept showing me things. Ikanionyesha, unajua, you might be thinking like hakuna kitu unafanya, but maybe there's someone who listens to these videos and might not even make any sense of what I'm saying. But eventually, because a day will come when it will be a day of trouble, and that is when it defines what you truly are. Ndio maana ulikuwa unaona kama ile story ya Elijah, ile siku yenye ilifika yenye tushindane, the God's there and I pray to God here, tuone who will win. It is such moments like those that really show you who you are worshiping and what is true and what is from God.